Massive greetings in the name of the Most High. This is Daddy Reddss for Daddy Reddss Promotions, and this is Talking News. On this episode, all I have to say is, this is what ungratefulness is all about. You know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe, share. Show that you care. Talking News is here. Yes, let me do the commentary now. Serious thing. When people send barrels, to the Caribbean and other countries, sometimes if the people send something that you may not really like, you can just give them a call and talk to them a certain way and say, yo, these things don't agree with my lifestyle, my diet, I'm messed up, blah, blah, blah. But you don't make a video just chastising everybody. No, sir, y'all ungrateful parasite. Take a look at this, people.
I don't want nobody come say me ungrateful. I never give nobody nothing for put down, so I not look for nothing for nobody. Because I know it's foreign hard and no found over there back shit out of ag mouth. Let me tell you something. I don't want nobody take up no whole heap of Campbell soup and no tomato paste and all them something. The people them not name them something, no matter how healthy it be, them not name it because we don't know it. You understand? And it just so hard, right about now, you borrow money for go clear the barrel, pay for paperwork, pay Chopman for cover the barrel, and when you bust barrel, and them something you see in a barrel, you know people feel. And another thing again, you stop put the old frozen clothes them in the barrel. You understand? The old frozen dead left clothes them with the old people them dead left, stop put them in the barrel. As much as we pour and paparizing, we have taste. And I don't want nobody say I don't appreciate nothing. I appreciate everything. But good God Almighty, man, nobody that name them and sit here. And then now the whole not come jump up and come talk about say people not appreciate nothing. Now what kind of being this?
Yeah, that one called ungratefulness to the max. No, sir. That's all I gotta say. Like, comment, subscribe, share. Show that you care. And be humble when people give something to you, my dear. All right? I'm Daddy Reddss. I'm the reggae ambassador. Psych. I'm the reggae ambassador. And I will always cause a musical massacre. Dread out for now. This is Talking News.